friends!
Hi!
Today we're at Disneyland and we are doing what Jude has wanted to do for a very, very long time, the mountain challenge.
Yes.
So we only have a few hours actually before we have a dinner reservation, so we're gonna try to squeeze in all 4 Disneyland mountains. Do you think we can do it?
Probably.
Well, come along with us and see if we can. So Jude, we're finally doing the mountain challenge. Are you excited?
Yes, but the one ride I'm not excited about is Splash Mountain.
Yeah, because it's kind of chilly out, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, the lines are just so long to get in. Maybe we should have saved this challenge for a weekday when all the people were here.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's kind of cold.
Oh, it was cold in there.
Yeah.
Is it fun? Both the kids are Wazowski. Our faces are great though. High five. You ready? You gonna get wet? Looks like Splash Mountain's just gonna be a walk on. It is kind of chilly. I hope we don't get wet.
Speaking left inside the lawn, be sure to watch your kids. Have a zippity-doo-dah ride.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco y cuide a los pequeñitos.
Kenny's nervous.
That's what we know. Really good, show your love. Really good, show your love. little something magic the whole band. Now get out from there, tree.
Don't say goodbye to me down at the last place where I.
Everybody's gonna like it. Take a friend.
You go to the laughing place for the monster.
That rare rabbit. He learned his lesson all right. But I'm afraid he learned it too late.
Just where you going?
I knew I was gonna get one. How did I really like Splash Mountain?
I feel like I have never gotten this wet on this attraction before,
Yeah.
but it's cold out, so of course. Look how wet my glasses are. What's with that random candle up there? Awesome picture, you guys. Wazowski, Wazowski. All right, it's time for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Yeah. Here's the height requirement.
We're waiting to see what train we're going to be on.
Yeah.
They're all named awesome. I hope we're on the UB Bold because that's my favorite.
Yeah.
It is the You Are Courageous. This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
We're going into pitch black darkness.
Good
Good
job.
times?
Yeah.
Good times. What'd you think, Kenny?
She held her hands up the whole time. Whee!
Wow! I'm so proud of you!
Me too.
Captain Hook. Oh no, it's 120 minutes. I think we're gonna fail. Oh my gosh. It's crow o'clock, which means it's time for our dinner reservations. Oh no. Chris, you did make those reservations for crow o'clock, right?
Yes, I did.
Or crow 30?
Crow 30.
All right.
Yeah.
So we're headed there now.
Now that is a murder of crows.
Murder at Disneyland. Dun, 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 dun. Like I just said, it is crow o'clock, which means our dining reservations are coming up, so we
Yep.
won't be able to wait in that 2-hour pop-up line for the Matterhorn. When we were in the line for Big Thunder Mountain, the queue line for the Matterhorn said 50 minutes.
Yeah.
And then when we got off of Big Thunder Mountain, it said 120. So,
Yeah. Had to be some sort of glitch somewhere.
yeah, it looked like the Fast Pass system was down. So unfortunately, we are failing the mountain challenge.
That's why they call it challenges.
Yeah, we're gonna fail. If we could have stayed longer, if we didn't have dining reservations, we totally maybe could have made it. Or if we gotten up earlier today.
Yeah.
But we'll have to try again later on. And,
Yep, we'll do it again.
And we'll post that when we try it. But I think we did good. We got in the parks around 2 o'clock, and it is 5 o'clock now.
Yep.
And we got the three mountains, and
Yeah.
we got to ride the train. What's your favorite mountain?
It's a cross between Space and Big Thunder.
Yeah, Big Thunder's my favorite. I do like Space a lot, especially since we're at Disneyland now. It's way better than
Yeah.
Disney World Space Mountain. Just the music's better. You can see the stars better.
Right.
It's just awesome. So, okay, well, we're gonna head to dinner, and
Yeah.
we'll see you guys there.
That's right.
And remember,
Disneyland is your land.
Bye.